Hello friends! Welcome to a new video guide for Coop.co. Today, I will show you how to download TikTok videos by hashtag. Have you ever wondered how to download TikTok videos by some particular hashtag and then have all newly uploaded videos by this hashtag automatically downloaded to your computer? We got you covered! With Coop Clips, you can easily do this. Just follow the next easy steps. First of all, go to Coop.co and get Coop Clips to your computer. This desktop app is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Then, launch Coop Clips and enter the hashtag. After that, click Download button. Videos matching your query will start downloading to your computer. To access the videos that you just downloaded, hover the cursor over the video thumbnail and click three dots. Then click Show in Folder. All the newly uploaded videos tagged with this hashtag will automatically download to your computer. Thank you for watching this video guide. Hope you will enjoy our application.